Welcome back to the channel. Well, we're coming up on the colder weather here in the Northeast, so if you're in the northern climates where it gets cold in the wintertime, you may need to winterize your RV or your cabin or something like that. Here's a quick tip on putting together your own kit to be able to pressurize the lines in your RV and anywhere else you might need to that can work with the hose fitting. Real simple. Have a hose replacement. Let's say if you damaged the end of your normal garden hose, you can go to the home center, find this. It's the male side. Little piece of hose here, 2 clamps that'll fit your hose, breezeway clamps or radiator hose clamps, and then just an air chuck fitting. Sorry, an air fitting that would go into one of your tools. Now for me, because this hose is a little brittle, I have this wrapped in electrical tape, but I'll show you here what it looks like. Basically going to do this with one hand, going to put this on like that, so that fits in there. And then we're going to do the same thing. Put this on first. Here. Sorry, a little hard to do with one hand, but you can see what we're doing here. Get that on. And then your air fitting. It's going to go right into the top here. Look something like that. I'll screw those down, tighten that up, and I'll meet you outside, show you how this works. I got it all together here. I tighten that down. Make sure your fitting into your hose is right there, and the fitting goes around where the barb would be. Same thing here. I got that tightened down. So I'm going to go into my city water connection on the side of my camper. I'm going to screw this in just like it was a hose. So we'll screw that down. You can see that sticks out like this. Now this can be as long or as narrow, as short as you want it. I've got my air hose here for my air compressor. I'm going to clip that on. And I've got about, put this down here. You can see I already got some air going through it. Shut that off there. So it just pressurizes the system. Now you don't want to go crazy. I got my regulator up. I'm doing like 20 psi, if that. Just enough to blow out the lines. When we come over here, back in the camper, I can see here. So I got the lines blown out. So that allows me to get that done real quick. Just be careful of the pressure. Follow the recommended ratings on any of your plumbing that you have, whether you're doing this in your camper or your RV, house or anything like that. I'm going to turn the regulator down. Be sure to follow regulations. You don't want to blow out any of your lines or make it worse. But real simple. Then when you're done, disconnect it. You can even do this with parts and pieces you probably have around the house. But if you need the parts and pieces, take a look in the description below. I'll have a listing for things like this. You know, chances are you get a broken piece of hose at home. You can even take an air fitting for the one time a year you need it, and a repair fitting for your hose. You probably already have that stuff maybe sitting around in your garage. But anyway, hope this is helpful to you. If it is, please be sure to leave a comment below. Check out other videos. Lots of great stuff on here. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.